Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay. So, hello TKJ.
Hello. Hai.
Okay. So, in this time, I as a host in this event will open mini contest. So in this mini contest have one people to make to speak with English for 2 minutes. Okay, so let's start this spinning wheel. Who will be the first? Okay. So the spinning wheel choose Aidan. So Aidan come in.
Hello guys, so now I will explain my dream car, that is Resvani Vinci. Yeah. Maybe this car brand is not famous like Chevrolet, Dodge and other American car. Yes, this car is from US or North America. So this car is have many feature for support the defense. Yes, like like what is that? Smoke, like smoke system, and then what is that? Yeah, this car has price around 4 billion. eh, no, for I think 4 billion rupiah, and this car is a 7-seater. And I think this car is more bigger than Pajero and Fortuner, and this car has strobo lamp. And did you know this car is legal for commercial? Yeah, this car is SUV type, and yeah, I think this car is recommend for you. I think that's all from me.
Okay, thank you Aidan for come to speak about his dream car. So go to the next speaker. Mas Javir, you can go to this first.
Okay, hello everyone. So here I will going to mini contest talking about something. Here I will choose a random topic. Yeah, here I will talking about router device. Yeah, that is related with engineer stuff. Yeah, network engineer. I mean, yeah. So if you know, we always see the router in everywhere, in the house, in the company, and in the enterprise. So yeah, and you know, router brand is so many, like Microtik and Huawei and Develink, Cisco, yeah, and the other famous brand. So we have to know router is have the important role, yeah, because router device is one key component in the network computer that have that serve to direct the traffic data to another network. Yeah. So that way, why the router device is very important in the network internet. And router device based on router device based on information table routing. Yeah. That which allowing it to allowing to allowing to decide the best path to send the data, and also router device its hardware also the device that can send data can take the data from one network and send the data to destination network. Except that so and router device also important rule, very important rule, that router device have a security feature like firewall to secure or protecting from external threat potential. Okay, so maybe that's all from me. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Zaki, for coming to forward to talk about engineer stuff such as like router from Huawei, Juniper, Cisco, Microtik. Yes. Okay, so after Zafir, maybe the spinning wheel will choose who the next speaker. And the next speaker is Nauki or Rizky. Okay. Rizky.
Okay, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. What's up everyone? Welcome back to K. Okay, so in this mini contest, I want to talk about some t-shirt brand. I think this brand is a big brand, like a Supreme, and then like Drew, and then other. But I don't want to talk about the Supreme or Drew brand. So now I want to talk about Stussy. Maybe you guys know about Stussy, right? But you don't know about the background story of Stussy. So the background story of Stussy is the simple is this brand first is not a build brand for like t-shirt, but Stussy the first build the fabric is for surfing. How to say surfing, like surf yeah, that. So the owner from Stussy brand first he make the brand of surf, and that surf is not going to big because when the owner of Stussy make some a booth in some festival, he make some surfboard, and then the owner of Stussy didn't want to just selling that one. He want to selling some merch. The merch is like just black t-shirt, and then in the front of that t-shirt have a logo of Stussy. And then what do you think about it? Yeah, the selling of that t-shirt, maybe I can say it's going to sold out. Then the surfboard. Okay, maybe that's all from me. That is a backstory of Stussy. You can search on YouTube. And thank you.
Okay, thank you, Kay, for talking about Stussy. Okay, so I wish Hanif is going to forward to talk, to speak for the spinning wheel.
Iya,
And Haris. Okay, so Haris.
Is that already recorded? Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay. How's life, guys? So I got some good news for you guys. I got some like infinite food glitch. Wow, what is that?
Infinite food glitch sounds like Minecraft things, but that's not a Minecraft things. In real life, we can do food glitch too. Example, we can do it on lettuce. You know lettuce? Yes. Okay, let me tell you a story why I found this infinite food glitch. So I just take a quick snack with lettuce, and it's left by a small part of the lettuce, that is the stump, and then I uh, chuck it into a water that is in my glass, and then I just wait until a days it start to growing leaf. So I just figure out, oh, I'm a dead now. Yeah, but that's not the context. Okay, so I just put into random in my dormitory, and then wait until a day, and it start growing a branch, akar, yeah. It's growing a root, and then I just replace to the warm dirt, warm poop, and then it start growing again, and it's big. And I, yeah, you know, farming, and then I chop it into a small piece, and then give it some fresh water, and then eat it with some nature candy, which is like corn or maybe tomato, and then the taste, it was good. So until I do it like 10 times, that is looping time. So if the lettuce was gone, and then just looping and again and again and again until I feel good. Yes. So that's why infinite food glitch, you have to try it in your home.
Okay, thank you Haris for talking about glitch food. That is tips for life. So let's go to call next speaker. Okay, so the next speaker is Hanif. Yeah.
What?
So Hanif will talk about his DD. Go to forward.
Hi everyone, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Hanif Fahri, and today I'm going mini contest and talking about technology that changed, I think changed the world, I don't know. So when computer came at first, people like, oh my god, this is something new. But there is downside, that is it takes big room, a lot of room, just to make like some little bit, but it need a whole room just to use a computer. That's why people try to compress it until little, and then make something called laptop or maybe CPU, computer. But there is still a problem. This thing cannot be got into, what's this, pocket, because it's too big, and I want to put a lot of data to maybe share to my friend, or maybe to give the information to my boss. That's why people start creating what we call HDD or SSD or flash disk. There are three types. There is HDD like this, and then SSD, I don't have it, and then flash disk, I also don't have it. These three things do the same, have the same purpose, but different power. The most powerful one is SSD. SSD could take maybe, I think, like 30 terabyte, but little, not big like this. It's like kind of like this, but its inside is 30 terabyte, and also the price is very high, somewhere 5 million rupiah, and also the the transfer rate is big also. And then the second one, we have HDD like this. There are two types of HDD. That is the implant HDD and the outside HDD. I don't know the name. So the implant HDD usually inside a laptop like this. They are using for storing data, but sometimes you could take out the HDD and put in case like this. I got this HDD from my 2007 laptop. My dad pull it out and put in an case and then use as data transferring.
And you took it without permission, no?
Kinda.
Kinda.
And the transfer rate is half of SSD, maybe even little less. So it's very slow, but the purpose is the same. And lastly, we have fast disk, or like what's called dongle, like little things, but the purpose is also the same. But the inside is only like 1 terabyte, cannot be more. I don't know if there is like 2 terabyte of flash disk, but I only found like 512 gigabyte. I think there is 1 terabyte of flash disk, and also the transfer rate is half of this, half of HDD. So it's very slow. I think that is all from me. Thank you for listening to my explanation of data transferring. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, thank you Hani for talking about hard disk, SSD, and flash disk.
SDD.
Yes, HDD. So we have to continue the mini contest. So this is just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 people again, and we go to share the snack. Let's go for the winners. And please come forward, Naoki.
So hello, welcome back guys. So in this mini contest, previously I talk in mini contest I talk about backpacker, but in this mini contest I will talking about certification from Cisco. This certification namely is certificate Cisco Network Associate, or maybe we can say CCNI. Yeah, the certificate is the level is maybe you can say intermediate, and the salary harga
Price.
the price if you want take this certificate, maybe if you get discount you can buy this certificate from 2,000,000 and if you not get this certification, maybe you can buy this certificate from start from 5 million 4,500,000. And if you as a network engineer, maybe you must have this certificate. Why? Yeah, because requirement in network engineer is you must understand CCNA or CCNP. So maybe that's all I'm talking about this certification. Thank you.
Okay, back to me again. So here we go again to spinning the wheel. So and thank you Noki. So this is for people again to go who's the winner, and we will see the spinning wheel what the spinning wheel got for these 4 people. And please come forward for Abid. Okay, Abid, come to forward and speak.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. As we know, in media sosial we see what is name Palestine in bombardier with Gaza, with Israel. And as we know, if we upload Palestine flag, it will be banned from Instagram. And maybe some netizen use watermelon to change the Palestine flag. Why? Why watermelon has choose to change Palestine flag? First, because color. The Palestine flag color like watermelon. And number two, watermelon can hide the shadow meaning. And number three, because watermelon is from Palestine, is signature fruit from Palestine. And in now so many influencer like Felix Xiao or Bayu Sataji or Mani of that upload watermelon to support Palestine, and me support Palestine. Okay, maybe that's all for me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, so let's go to spinning the wheel again. And thank you Abid for coming to talk about Palestine. Okay, so 3 people again. We will see who will be the next speaker. So the next speaker is Mr. Firas. Come to forward.
Okay, so in this mini contest, I will talk about identity teaching to Malaysia. So last week, me and 4 students from IDN that the total is 5 students goes to Malaysia, 3 from IDN Solo, 1 from IDN Pamijahan, and the last one from IDN Jonggol. So the student that join IDN teaching, it's more than 5, but the qualification that must be have a passport, so and must have the what the name is, we can English talk or we can take talk. So if there is a student don't have that video, that cannot join the identity teaching to Malaysia. So at my experience goes to Malaysia is I have a conclusion to that I must to more have a conversation that make a lot that make not not lazy to hear that. So if I teaching to Malaysia, I don't have many conversation to the students, so the students is sleeping. One of 10 or 15 student that the one is sleeping because that he is bored to listen my teaching. Yes, so I have more to make a conversation. Thank you.
Okay, 2 people again to go who will be the winner for this mini contest. Okay,
Mini
So-
contest or for that?
So I will spin the wheel and please welcome Aruza.
Azura.
Okay, Azura.
So guys, in this mini contest or in this afternoon, I want to talk about World Cup under 17. Okay. So we know in this month there is a big event in Indonesia. There is a World Cup under 17 in Solo, Bandung, Surabaya, and Jakarta. So there is 24 countries under the world. So many countries. So because Indonesia is the host, so Indonesia is followed that event. So Indonesia is in Group A with Morocco, Ecuador, and Panama maybe, I forget. So maybe that's all from me. Thank you.
Neo.
Okay. So this is the last speaker is Neo, and of course don't forget to say thank you for Azura to come to to talk about U17. Okay. So because this is the last speaker, so Neo, please come to forward.
Okay, so today here mini contest. I will talk about random topics. So in here I will talk
What?
about preparation to 10 countries. Yeah, we have so many preparation in 1 month. In 1 month, it's like talking with Mr. Izzat, keep talking, yes, and we got so much project in the spreadsheet for fill it about question from Mr. Izzat, and then we have exercising, workout like jogging, and we have long march too. And wait, when long march? Oh, 1 week.
Huh? 4 days ago.
Oh yeah, 4 days ago we have a long march in where I don't know, 20 kilo maybe. Because I'm not joined, I got sick. Yes,
You
win enter masuk angin. Yeah, like that.
Get cold. You have that in
Maybe
the
that's up
office.
for me. Thank you.
Pin.
Okay. So the mini contest have been ended, and we have the winner. But the winner in this spinning wheel is 5 people. Okay, so the winner is K. So K, you can come to forward to take this Nabati pink lava. Okay, congratulations for winning this mini contest in this week. Okay, so what do you feel?
Happy.
And what your word for this today?
Thank you and never surrender.
Okay, good word.
1.
Okay, so this is the end of mini contest. So thank you for all TKJ to joining this mini contest, and we will close by saying hamdalah and Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin, and that's all of me. Thank you for joining this mini contest. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.